Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Yone again from Chayatsuji Kimono. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. As you can probably see in the title, this is a Musubi that I actually found a picture of quite a while ago. I think it was a month or two by now. That had a Yanoji Musubi, but it didn't have any obijime, so it's tied so that it doesn't require an obijime, which is fantastic because I sometimes just don't want to use extra accessories if I don't have to. So yeah, I just want to mention that I found this picture of this particular musubi. I haven't found an actual tutorial that I could replicate, so I had to kind of come up with my own way of tying it. So I don't know whether this is the official way to tie it or if it's just my own, so to speak, but nonetheless I just wanted to share it with you because I think it's such a fun and easy tutorial that doesn't require an extra long obi, which is fantastic, as 90% of my obi are technically too short for me. So yeah, pretty much all you need is an hanaba obi in whatever color you want. If it's reversible, that will even a plus because the reverse side will be visible on one side. So yeah, just let's grab your obi and let's go. So first of all, you want to grab the one side of your obi. Now this part that sticks outwards shouldn't be too long. About 20 to 30 centimeters is plenty. So after that, like always, you want to wrap the obi twice around. And then the long part goes over the short part, and then you pull it up completely. Tighten. Now this part will go upwards. So first I want to make this part flat. Now the length of the obi, mine reaches all the way to my feet and the floor. This part you want to fold up. So you want to kind of fold it on top of each other. Now the length, it kind of requires a little bit of practice in order to kind of see what works for you. So this is the length I have, so I have it in 4 layers just stacked onto each other. Lengthwise, yeah, like I said, 20-30 centimeters. But this when you want to grab the low part, pull it under. I hope I can show you. This part goes underneath and through here. So as you can see, it's my hand. I grab it and I pull it through. See, that's what I said about a little bit of practice. It's okay if it's not completely right first time. Now this part you actually want to just unfold a little bit. And if you can manage, unfold these ones as well. What I like to do is make both of these kind of a separate, an uneven length. Now the original one didn't have that, so this is my personal preference. But as you can see, the bottom one's barely even. You have a different length, so that's okay. So what you do want to do is kind of make the down part and the upper part a little a little bit straight. Now it may not be possible to get this perfectly straight, but that's okay. So that is pretty much the musubi itself. It's kind of easy, it just requires some practice. This is the second time I've ever tied it. I tied it a little beforehand so that I knew how to do it, but this is the second time I've tied it, so it does not look perfect for now, but it's okay. I'll practice in the future. So I'll move it to the back. And there we go. That is pretty much how you tie Yanoji Musubi without an obiknot. So I thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye guys.